In the couple of days, the crypto market has crashed. Okay, and of course, we had seen Bitcoin going up to $105,000 and has dropped massively to about $114,000. What does that mean? Does this mean that is the end of the crypto market or Bitcoin in general? But I'm here to explain, of course, two factors that led to that crash. Of course, reason number one, we had stocks. The stock market was very low because it also crashed, and definitely when the stock drops, of course, we expect the crypto market also to crash. Of course, it also led. And reason number two, of course, we had the big boys playing in. And of course, we saw a couple of big boys venturing in a very critical move that led to the market crash. Of course, we had the US president announcing the tariff on Chinese government, and of course, it was one of the significant factor that led to the market crashing. We had also Binance transferring most of their crypto asset to a certain exchange. Maybe they sold it. We had also BlackRock. They sold some of the asset and they made about 15 billion. So we had some big boys making a lot of billions. And of course, when they sold, most of the community members of crypto, they were panicked. And what they do? They of course sold in panic. And in turn, the big boys, they're now selling. Okay, they sold, people panicked, sold at that level, and now they're buying when the market is kind of low. And as we can see, the market is a little bit greener. Okay, so does it mean that the Bitcoin is free from government, as its initial mission was to free from government so that it cannot be manipulated? But for this matter, that's not the case. Is Bitcoin going to reach $1 million, as most people are predicting? But as that's the case, the end game is, at this moment, ours is an eye. So let us watch and see how things are going, but the war is far from over. But again, most of the people that lost money, because we had so much individual losing millions and millions of money, and as we're speaking, we had even a member of a community, crypto community, who died. Allegedly, he had lost over $30 billion, and he had no hope, and he committed suicide, allegedly. Okay, so we can see also so many people lose their money. And one lesson that we can learn from that is that the individual who lost the huge amount of cash, they were futures traders. Okay, and again, those who are spot traders, they know how it happened. In the future trader, you cannot easily liquidate it compared to when you are trading with futures. Okay, because let us assume that we had one Bitcoin, that when the price was high, you had 125k USDT. But now, when the market was a little bit low, your asset reduced to 114,000 USDT. Yes, you still have your one Bitcoin, but the value has reduced. Okay, so this means when the market pumps up, 150k, your asset still increases its value compared when you're trading to futures. When you're liquidated, that's all. So that's all for now, guys. Let us keep engaging. Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this move? Do you think this is the end of crypto, or this is a beginning? See you in the next video. Trade responsibly. Peace.